Alright guys, so we're going to be doing something a little different tonight. I'm going to be working on my 2003 CRF 150. I had some issues with spark the last weekend when I took it out. It was just bogging like crazy, so I did some research and found out that it looks like it needs a new coil installed on it. So while I did that, I went ahead and ordered a new spark plug as well. So here's the bike. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is removing the gas tank, getting up underneath and getting the coil that's underneath the gas tank. I'm sure you can get in there without removing it, but it's just going to be a whole lot easier if we do that. So I've already replaced the spark plug, okay, but this is what we're going to be replacing: this spark plug wire and then the coil that's up underneath. Okay, so what I purchased, got it off of Amazon. I believe it was like 10 bucks. It wasn't that expensive. So let's go ahead and get started on this project and start tearing it down. Alright guys, so first things first is you're going to want to remove both side plates, this one and the one on the other side, okay? Then you're going to want to get to this seat bolt and this seat bolt, okay? So in order to remove the plastics, you need a 5/16 socket, or in this case I have a 5/16 I guess screwdriver bit. I don't know what you call this guy. Okay. To get the seat off, you're gonna need a 12 millimeter to get that bolt off. So let's go ahead and get both those removed. That's gonna get us down to where we can remove the gas tank. Okay. Now there's a gas tank mount down here, 2 of them. Those are 5/16, and then there should be one up underneath the seat as well. So let's go ahead and get the seat removed. Alright, so this is spark plug wire, coil, 5/16 bolt on both sides. Make sure you put the ground back on one side and the power back on one side, okay? So let's go ahead and get that removed, and then we'll get the new one installed. Alright, so sometimes spark plugs come with this little tip on it. You're gonna have to remove that tip in order to fit it inside this guy. You can't really see in there, but there's a clip in there that attaches to the threaded part of this. So you're just gonna need to get a wrench on it. A couple turns will break it loose, and then you should be able to take it off with your hands. So you're looking at those threads right there are going to attach to the fitting inside of here. So now you can see a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and attach that to the spark plug now. Alright, so that's a total of maybe 20-minute job to take the bike apart, put that on, and put it all back together. So now I'm just going to start putting the bike back together. Got to get the gas tank back on, get these bolts back in, get the seat mounted, and then I'm not going to test ride it today because it is nighttime right now, but I'll probably test ride it maybe Saturday. So anyways, let's get this thing back together. So at this point is a good time if you want to remove the baffle out of your air box. It's the best time to do it. You just gotta slide it up and out. I got rid of mine, gosh, probably the day after I bought the bike, and I bought it brand new in 2003. So anyways, that's a good upgrade. Also, there's a few other good upgrades on this bike. Like the exhaust. You can't see, but I got a K&N air filter in there. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this thing bolted back together and test it out on the weekend here. So just gotta slide the seat back on and put the side plastics on, and it's done. So alright guys, that's it. Got the new coil put back in. Like I said, about 20-minute job. So anyways, there's the bike. Thanks guys for watching.